In today's video, I will walk you through how to darken the video background in CapCut PC. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open CapCut on your computer and load the project you want to work on. If you do not already have CapCut installed, you can download the PC version from the official CapCut website. Once your project is open, select the video clip where you want to darken the background. This effect is often used in interviews, tutorials, and cinematic edits, because it helps draw more attention to the main subject while reducing distractions in the background. It can also give your footage a cleaner and more professional appearance. With your clip selected, move over to the mask section inside CapCut. Masking allows you to isolate certain parts of the video so changes can be applied more precisely. In this case, the goal is to keep your subject visible while darkening the area behind them. Inside the mask settings, click on Add a Mask. You will then see different masking tools appear, including the brush tool. Select the brush tool and begin painting over the person or object that you want to isolate from the background. Take your time during this part of the process. The cleaner your selection is, the smoother the final result will look. This is especially important around detailed areas like hair, clothing edges, or movement within the shot. As you continue brushing over the subject, CapCut will begin identifying the area you want separated from the background. Depending on the complexity of your clip and your computer performance, the software may take a little time to process the effect fully. After the processing finishes, you should notice that the background becomes darker while the subject stays more visible and separated from the rest of the scene. This creates a more focused look and helps guide attention toward the main part of the video. If you notice rough edges or areas that were missed, you can go back and refine the mask by adjusting your brush selection until everything looks cleaner. One important thing to keep in mind is that subtle adjustments usually produce the best results. Slightly darkening the background often looks more natural and cinematic than making it extremely dark. And that is how you darken the video background in CapCut PC, using the masking feature.